Hello friends, so let's see in this video about the explode command. So here you can see I have just drawn this polyline, right? So this polyline, you know the polyline, right? So when you just draw the polyline, you can just select the all when you click on any of the side of this shape, right? Let me click on here. So you can just select all the lines, right, in a single click. So basically, what explode command do? It will break all the lines in a different element, right? So let me show you how. Just click here, explode. Just type here explode command explode. See here export command comes, just press enter, and you can just select any of the side of this particular object, uh, particular step, right? So just I just selected this side, right? And then now just press enter. Now if you select any of the side, see I just selected this side. Only this particular portion is selected because here is a break in between, right? And if you select this object, the here, then only this side is selected, right? If you select here, you can see only this particular straight line is just selected, right? So you can click anywhere and check, right? So in this way explode function works.